Hello, my name is Brennan, and I'm your local McGraw-Hill consultant for Riverside City College. Dr. Simmers and my team collaborated to come up with your course materials for the current semester in Introductory Sociology. And today I'll be briefing you on Connect and SmartBook, where you'll be going to access a portion of your assignments for the semester. We'll talk about some best practices for running the program as well as the resources that are available to you, in particular SmartBook. We'll cover registration as a process as well as your purchasing options, and we'll wrap things up with technical support. To ensure the smoothest experience in Connect, I personally recommend running one of these three web browsers. If you have a Mac at home, Safari works fine. Beyond that, Firefox or Chrome come recommended. Please note that we ask that you refrain from running Internet Explorer when accessing Connect. Internet Explorer updates a little too rapidly for McGraw-Hill, and it has a tendency of creating an unuser-friendly experience. Connect is a web-based application, and like other web-based applications, Connect can get slowed down if there's too much space taken up through your internet web browser. So we do ask that you intermittently clear the cookies in the web browsing history on your internet browser so that you ensure ample space for the program to run. So these are just a couple of quick steps you can take prior to accessing any of the course materials to ensure a smooth experience. Your required materials for this course are going to be Experience Sociology by David Croteau, 2nd edition. Please note that a print book is not required for this class. However, everyone will need to have a Connect access code, and by virtue of that, access to SmartBook, which we'll get into here in just a moment. I added the two images here, the one on the left with the sunglasses and the one on the right with the tornado for reference sake. The image on the left is what we call the national version of this text. It's available to you just about anywhere, including Amazon, Chegg, Barnes & Noble, what have you. If you do shop online and you see this image, you're good to go. Please make sure that you are purchasing, though, something that contains the Connect access code. The image on the right is what we call a custom edition of this book. Dr. Simmers made available to you in the RCC bookstore at a discount a black and white version of this text that contains both the print text as well as the Connect access code, and it's there as a one-stop shop. Okay, registration in the course is going to be pretty straightforward. You're just going to take the course URL as it appears here at the top. You're going to copy that, paste it into your web browser, and you'll be brought to a welcome screen similar to what you see here on the left. Go ahead and enter your RCC student email address as it appears there, where the red arrow is pointing, and hit begin. And everyone will be asked to create an account in Connect. Pretty straightforward stuff again. Just enter your RCC student email. In the event you do already have a McGraw-Hill account, you'll be asked to provide your password. Security question, agree to terms and conditions, and you're all set. And then everyone will be brought to this screen. So everyone has some options here. I mentioned the bookstore earlier. If you went to the RCC bookstore, you already have your code. It's printed on the back page of the text. You can go ahead and enter that code here on the left. Maybe you work full-time, maybe you have a family, maybe you're not sure if you're going to stick with the class. Whatever your situation, in the meantime, McGraw-Hill will provide you with 2 weeks of courtesy access to Connect. This will contain access to the textbook, SmartBook, everything you need to get started in this class, and then at the end of those 2 weeks or any time prior to the end of those 2 weeks, you will need to make a decision. Either purchase a code, drop the class, whatever alternative you and Dr. Simmers arrive upon. Which leads to your third option, is you can always buy the code direct from McGraw-Hill. It's $50, that's $50, and this is an all-digital option, meaning you are opting to bring either your laptop or your tablet to class, and that is what you're going to use to access the textbook. And once you've selected that, you're all set. You can go straight to the Connect home screen, which looks just like what you see here. Students who buy the access direct from McGraw-Hill, let's say you've gone a couple weeks into class and decide you prefer to have a print text to read from, you will have an option to order a loose leaf print copy of the book that is yours to keep by clicking on the link as it appears here on the left. SmartBook is a study tool designed by McGraw-Hill for student success. It is inspired by technology you may have already used in either while shopping on Amazon or watching Netflix. And SmartBook is designed to highlight what you specifically need to read what you need to study and what you need to learn, ensuring that every minute you spend in SmartBook is returned to you as what we call the most high impact minute, or the most value added minute possible, and it's powered by LearnSmart. So what does that mean? Well, LearnSmart is going to be asking you questions based on the learning objectives that exist within each chapter. You'll receive a question, as you see here at the top, an answer set. This is multiple choice. Some might be fill in the blank, some might be true or false. However, SmartBook will ask you, and LearnSmart will ask you, to assign a confidence rating to your answer. This is how SmartBook builds a profile based on each one of your individual knowledge and understanding, and then it will recirculate questions based on your knowledge and understanding and expose you to new content, so that when you see that information, it is more likely to move from your short-term memory and into your long-term memory, so you can recall that during stressful moments on a quiz, on an exam, etc. Based on your performance on the previous question and answer module, SmartBook, when you open up the e-text through the Read tab, is going to be highlighting the corresponding passage in the e-text from the question and answer module. This is in essence a reflection of your understanding. So as you read through the book, you'll see passages highlighted in green, or SmartBook is telling you you understand this concept, you've mastered its learning objective. We want to move you on to the parts highlighted in yellow. Yellow means slow down, maybe read just this passage, not the whole page. Answer a few more questions to provide a little greater foundation in this content before you move on to the next passage. We're getting a lot of great feedback on this program, and we really hope you enjoy it. Thank you for your time. My final slide is on tech support. In the event you experience an issue in Connect or SmartBook, I've already given you a couple of troubleshooting measures. Please be sure to recall that you should clear your cookies or your web history, and make sure you're not running Internet Explorer. If you're still experiencing an issue in the program, first and foremost, you need to give our customer care team a call. Please note their number here and their hours of operation. Every time you contact tech support, the agent's going to provide you with a case number. In the event the agent is not able to solve your issue or your issue reoccurs, please make sure you hang on to that case number, and then you will want to bring that directly to my attention, and you see my email here at the bottom of the screen. Please ensure you include that case number in the subject heading of your message and provide as much detail as possible. Please do not reach out to me until you've taken those 3 critical steps on your own and you're still not seeing results. Thank you for your time, and best of luck in Intro Sociology.